simple t-shirt uses 16 to 20 liters of water when it is produced. More than 1.5 trillion liters of world's fresh water supply are used by the fashion industry every year. Fabric mills can use up to 200 tons of water per 1 ton of dyed fabric, which in turn only produces about 1,400 pieces of clothing. Every year, textile industry produces about 80 million garments. In the developed countries, a family throws away on average 30 kilograms of clothing each year. The average number a garment is worn before it is discarded is just 7. Only 15% is recycled or donated, and the rest goes directly to the landfill or is incinerated, further polluting the environment. Over 1,130 tons of clothing ends up in the landfills every year. Roughly 17 to 20% of industrial water pollution is owed to dyes and fabric treatment. 90% of wastewater in developing countries is discarded into rivers without treatment. According to the World Bank, in China alone, 90% of the local groundwater is polluted. 72% of toxic chemicals in the water supply are from the textile dyes used in the clothing factories. Rivers flowing next to the textile and clothing factories change their color from all the wastewater and dyes that are being dumped into them. What can you do? One of the best solutions is to use services of the local tailors to mend your clothing. We can reduce clothing waste by recycling. We can buy more clothes in second-hand stores. We can swap our clothes no longer wanted with our family and friends, or online through social media. There are some Facebook groups with the purpose of selling, buying and swapping second-hand clothes. And if you can afford it, opt for the eco-friendly, responsible fashion brands. Such brands use natural dyes that are environmentally friendly and are made from natural sources. Their production has less negative effect on the environment. Some natural dyes even use less water in production. Clothing with organic fabric and natural dyes are not just better for the environment, but better for you.
You know, like put it back and you like to take it out, check it, like yeah, thumbs up.